सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टडी विद सर अमन चैनल को और नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए।
Good morning all of you. This is the first part of video. Today we will continue these triangles and we will see some new questions today. Okay, so let us start the exercise. We will start from question number 9. See question number 9. Calculate the angles of a triangle if they are in the ratio 4:5:6. All the three angles are given 4, 5, 6. What is the problem? They are given in ratio. So it has two methods, one by the ratio method, other by making it constant. So whenever you see ratio, first you make it constant by taking x. How? See the solution. Now listen at first. In this question diagram is not there, so first you will make diagram triangle ABC by yourself. Now see, let the ratio constant for angles be x. So A will be 4x, B will be 5x and C will be 6x. Which property we know? Angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So put the value, do calculation. X will come 12. Therefore angle A is 4x 48. Angle B is 5x means 60. Angle C is 6x means 72. Okay, by old property, angle sum property. Clear? Check next question. One angle is given 61 degree, but other two angles are given in ratio. Okay, so what we will do? We will follow the same method. Let us see solution. Check, one angle is 61. Other angles are in the ratio B ratio. See, 1/2 means 3/2. Ratio 4/3. Ratio means in simple terms division. Division will change into multiplication. 3 will go up, 4 will come down. Therefore angle B and angle C will be, angle B will be 9x, angle C will be 8x. Check all the steps. Now this same question becomes like question number 9. Now after this what we will do? We will put the value. Angle A 61, angle B 9x, angle C 8x. How 9x is coming? You see the solution. 3/2 multiply with 3/4. 3 3 is a 9, 2 4 is a 8. Angle B is 9, angle C is 8. Then we will find the value of x. Then angle B is 9x. We will multiply. You can check your answer is right or wrong by adding all the three angles. If it will come 180 degree. Okay. Now check this. Now rest all questions we will do by exterior angle property. What is it? I am telling you with the help of question C. Check question number 12. What you will observe, one angle is made outside. That angle is known as exterior angles. And two angles are made inside, 30 degree and x degree. It is known as interior angle. What is the relation? Exterior angle is equal to, means 110 is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle, means 30 degree plus x degree. It is the relation between exterior angle and interior angles. Okay, this property name is exterior angle property. How we will use? Check solution. Check, 110 is outside means exterior, so 110 is equal to 30 plus x. So x is equal to 110 minus 30. X is equal to 80. Why like this? Because 110 is exterior and one exterior angle is equal to two interior opposite angles. Okay. Now see question number 5. Okay, two angles are outside. One is 125 degree, another one is 140 degree. You can start from anywhere. But interior angles, angle A, angle B, angle C is not given. What we will do in this case? In this case we will do, check the position of angle B and 125. Both are in straight line. So B plus 125 is equal to 180 degree. Angles made on straight line. So B is equal to 55. Similarly C plus 140 equal to 180 degree. C is equal to 40. Now we will put the value. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now put the value B and C. You will get the value of A. Check the solution nicely. This question is very important. How many angles are outside? Means exterior. 4m you can check, and 140 degree. Okay, so here we have written x degree by ourselves. So check the position of x and 140. They are made on straight line, so we can write x plus 140 is equal to 180 degree. Angles made on straight line or linear pair, therefore x is 40 degree. Now same thing we will do. 4m is exterior, so exterior is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle, means 2m plus x. What is the value of x? 40 degree. How the value of x is coming? By adding with 140, it is straight line. Therefore 4m minus 2m is equal to 40, so m is equal to 20 degree. Okay, clear? Rest all of the questions you will try by yourself. I hope all of you have understood this. Read only two properties we are dealing with: angle sum property and exterior angle property. Okay, thank you. God bless you. Have a good day.